49 to 44.
We're doing all three back to back. Case 1, 4 armed robbers, a helicopter and a K9 unit that would not let go. Case 2, a stolen car, a crash and a dog named Knox. Case 3, 2 deputies who had about 1 second to jump. Let's start with the worst of them. It starts the way 1,000 deals start, a message online. A 14-year-old thinks he's buying designer clothes from people he knows. They tell him to get in the car. 4 of them are inside wearing black masks. And the moment the door shuts, this stops being a sale. They put a gun to his head. They take his money and his designer watch, shove him out of the moving car, and disappear into the night. He's 14. What those 4 don't know is that the Martin County Sheriff's Office is already awake, and the night shift does not lose.
Running the high point. Point of development.
Yeah, they're all running eastbound.
Patrol finds the car. The driver refuses to stop. So deputies do something smarter than chasing. They set choke points across the county while the aviation unit stays locked on from above. The car leaves Martin County, then loops back to sneak in again. That was the mistake.
Eastbound.
We have an still on high point. Keep your lights on.
Stop sticks shred the tires. All 4 bail out and run. Through neighborhoods, into the woods. The perimeter tightens. The K9 unit moves in. And around 2 in the morning, all 4 are face down in the dirt. Every one of them charged with armed robbery. Here's the part worth remembering. Robberies like this almost never start with a stranger. They start with someone you already know and a meeting spot you didn't choose. If a deal moves to a car at night with people you can't see, that isn't a sale. That's a setup. That's 1 down. Case 2, a stolen car, a concrete pole, and a K9 named Knox. This one happens in the dark. November, Indian River County. A deputy gets an alert. The tag on a passing car is stolen. He pulls in behind it and lights it up. For a second, the driver actually slows down. Then he sees the patrol car in his mirror and runs a red light at full speed.
Yeah, that's 10-4.
Dispatch has been updated.
Hit him at that stop sign if he stops. He's going 20 miles an hour northbound Old Dixie.
Dispatch has been updated.
That was critical.
Alright, we're deactivating our lights. He's wheeling around cars right now, coming up 45th Street on Old Dixie. All vehicles have disengaged their lights already. Looks like he went through the light. Westbound at 45th Street right now.
Dispatch has been updated.
So 7 on 58th and 20, I'll head up to 45th.
Yeah, all units responding to start boxing different units on 58, 66, 49, and 44.
He doesn't get far. The car slams into a concrete pole by the railroad tracks, and the driver is out and running before it stops rocking. It's dark. It's a whole neighborhood of fences, yards, and bushes. And that is exactly the problem a K9 exists to solve. Meet Knox.
Get up, go! Get up now! Sir, you're late. Get out! Come on, you gonna bang my leg off! Come out now! Come here! Fuck! Get light up, light up. Fuck! Come out! I'll get him out!
Get on my head. Get on my head, sir.
We're touching the door!
Sir, I'm not touching, I swear to God. Sir, can you please do me a favor, please? Sorry. I wasn't thinking.
I can't, he's wrapped in vines.
Can you please tell him stop?
I will.
Thank you. I'm not touching him, I swear to God I'm not. Thank you.
Out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Lay down!
Yes, sir.
A dog like Knox isn't chasing what he sees. He's following what you left behind. Skin cells, sweat, crushed grass. You can climb a fence. You can lie down in the dark and stop breathing hard. The trail stays exactly where you put it. Knox found him in the bushes beside a house. The car came back stolen out of Polk County. The driver, 20 years old, was booked on aggravated fleeing, reckless driving, resisting, and more, held on a $57,000 bond. Total time between running and cuffs, a few minutes. 2 down. The last one isn't a chase at all. It's 4 seconds long, and it's the scariest of the 3. Collier County, just before midnight. 2 deputies are doing the most ordinary thing in police work. A traffic stop on North Collier Boulevard. Lights on. Driver pulled over. Nothing unusual about any of it. They have no idea a car is coming up behind them at speed.
Get away!
Watch it again and count. From the first sound to impact, the deputies and the man they'd pulled over had about 1 second to move. The patrol car takes the hit instead of them. Everyone walked away. The driver who hit them was arrested for DUI. This is why that boring law exists. When you see emergency lights on the shoulder, slow down and move over a lane. Not because it's polite, because the person standing there has nowhere to go. A traffic stop is a few feet of asphalt between a deputy and everyone driving past. 3 cases, 3 completely different nights. A helicopter, a K9, and 1 second of reaction time. And the same ending every time, because the part people always forget is that nobody outruns a radio. If you want the next 3, subscribe. We go frame by frame, every time.